let's create some super cute pillows in Blender, the easiest way possible. Hi everyone, get ready for a fun and simple tutorial. First, press A to select everything in your scene and delete it. Then, add a plane by pressing Shift+A. Now, press Tab to enter edit mode. Right-click on the plane and choose Subdivide. In the panel that appears, change the number of cuts to around 20 or 30. Next, switch to Face Select Mode by pressing 3. And press A to ensure all faces are selected. Press E to extrude the faces slightly. Then add a loop cut on the side by pressing Ctrl+R. Use S to scale the loop cut a bit. Before we get into the magic part, press Shift+D to duplicate the mesh, and then press X to move it aside. This way, you have a backup for later tweaks. Alright, let's focus on the original mesh. With it selected, go to the Object Properties tab, then to the Physics tab, and choose Cloth. From here, we will follow similar steps that we used in our inflated text tutorial. Check the link in the description for a refresher. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Scroll down until you reach the pressure section. Tick the pressure option and enter a value of 5. In the cache section, change the end frame to around 20. We're keeping it simple. Next, expand the collision section and enable self-collision. Finally, set the gravity amount to 0 so that our pillow stays put in the scene. Now, press the spacebar to start the animation. Amazing! There's your pillow. If you like to tweak the base shape, you can leave it at 20, but if you want, you can toggle the timeline until you reach the desired shape. Got me? Frame 14 works best for me. Then, go to the Modifier tab and press Ctrl+A to apply the cloth simulation. Add a Level 2 subdivision modifier by pressing Ctrl+2, and be sure to shade smooth the object. Now it's time to add some extra details. Duplicate your pillow and place it next to the original. Enter Edit Mode and notice the loop around the sides. Bevel it by pressing Ctrl+B. Then, press Alt+E to extrude the new face along the normals, giving it a nice edge. For the duplicated pillow, try extruding backwards to add a little variety. And for the pillow on the left, let's do something different. In Edit Mode, switch to Wireframe mode by pressing Z. From the top view, select these vertices in the middle, then head to the Data panel. Add a vertex group by clicking the Add button and hit Assign to group those vertices. Press I to inset, and then E to extrude a bit. It might look a bit odd at first, but trust me, it'll come together beautifully. Now, repeat the cloth simulation steps for this version, but with one extra step. In the Shape section, select the Pin group and choose the group you just created. Press the spacebar again to run the animation, and there's our new, uniquely shaped pillow. Once you're happy with it, apply the cloth simulation, add a Level 2 subdivision modifier, and smooth the shape. Feel free to add more details as you like. Next, let's add some fantastic materials. Pull up the bottom panel by clicking and dragging. Then switch from time-lapse to the shader editor. Change your viewport to Material Preview, and with the pillow selected, add a new material. Add a magic texture node. Make sure Node Wrangler is active. Check under Edit Preferences, search for Wrangler. With your material selected, press Ctrl+T to automatically add the necessary nodes. Connect the magic texture node to a bump node, and then link the bump node to the normal input of the principled BSDF shader. Set the depth to 6 and the scale to around 80. In the bump node, tick Invert. For the color setup, connect the output of the mapping node to a brick texture, and then connect the brick texture to the base color of your shader. Adjust the scale, tweak the colors to your liking, and play around with the offset and squash values until you achieve your desired result. Get creative and have fun with it. You can change these colors and numbers for the second and third pillows and go crazy with it. And that's it. Your awesome, fun pillow is ready to shine in Blender. Enjoy playing with these techniques and making your very own unique pillows. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments below if you found it helpful, and if you have any suggestions. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.